Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Pop-Ups Lollipops filled with Chupa Chups. With that being said, let's get started. The Pop-Ups that I got are from Disney Nightmare Before Christmas, and I got Sally and Jack. The Pop-Ups that I got are from Disney's Nightmare Before Christmas, and I got Sally and Jack. So as you can see, these are the packaging. And now I'm going to go ahead and open that. So yes, it's Jack and Sally, Jack Skellington, the Pumpkin King himself, and Sally. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how they look. So these are it right here. As you can see, I have them. And yes, I did put the lollipop in here already. Oops. Ah! There we go. So that's how they work. They have a little push-up button here. And you do that. You get your lollipop from Chupa Chups that comes with it. As you guys saw, it's 3 lollipops that come with one of these. You unwrap it, of course. You get your little Sally or Jack. And then you open it. And then you just add it as I showed you, and that's it. So every time you want to lick the lolly, you literally open it like that and you just like it, and then it closes it. Again, Jack's the same thing. I really like this whole thing of Sally and Jack, and of course, like I said, I saw Barrel. I think they're really cute, especially if you're a fanatic of the Nightmare Before Christmas. Of course, Disney's Nightmare Before Christmas. These are really cute. They're very lightweight. Of course, Chupa Chups. I really like their lollipops. And also, I really like that they close the lollipop. These are really good for kids, I have to say, and even for adults. Come on. So I really like that you can literally lick it and you can close it and leave it somewhere like on the counter. And you don't have to worry about it being just like bared like this and just being on the counter and you picking them up, your kids, your children picking them up with like dust and dirt and everything. You don't have to worry about that because they literally just like pop it up, lick it, and close it. I really think this is a cute little concept for lollipops. These were about $4, not including taxes, each one. And then you can just put it anywhere. I think these are really cute because you can also put it in your purse if you really like lollipop. So each set includes a watermelon, strawberry, and cherry artificially flavored lollipop. And then it says refill with mini ball shaped lollipops. So you can refill it with any mini shaped lollipops. Of course, it says Disney, the Nightmare Before Christmas, Chupa Chups lollipops. And then it just tells you, of course, in the back, the instructions on what to do. Remove lollipop wrapper, slide button up to open top, insert lollipop onto holder until locked in place. Eat lollipop while holder is open, store while holder is closed. When finished, remove stick and repeat steps 1 to 4 with refills. And of course, not recommended for children under the age of 3. Final rating, out of 5, 5. These are really cool. It's a really neat invention. Whoever did these, you did really good. That's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, nights, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye, guys.